Alright, so you're exporting a video from Adobe Premiere or Media Encoder, and it's limiting you to a specific bitrate and you can't go higher. For example, if I go to the export setting now, it's limiting me to 50 megabits per second, which isn't always enough. Usually the reason this happens is these two guys up here, your profile and your level. The short answer is to bump up these and you'll get higher bitrates. You can think of profile as the feature set and level as the limit. The profile controls what kind of encoding tools your video is allowed to use. For example, baseline is the most basic, main adds a bit more efficiency, and high gives you access to the most advanced compression features. Basically, better quality at the same bitrate. But if you're exporting for modern devices or platforms like YouTube, high profile is usually the better choice. The one that actually caps your bitrate is the level. The level sets strict limits on things like maximum resolution, frame rate, and most importantly, your max bitrate. So if your level is set too low, Premiere will literally not let you go above a certain bitrate, no matter what you type in. So if you're trying to export higher quality video and you're hitting a ceiling, bumping up the level, like going from 4.1 to 5.1, usually unlocks higher bitrate options. Profile affects efficiency and quality, level controls the limits. And both need to be set high enough if you want full control over your export settings. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.